In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how to remove hand wrinkles at home. In a bowl, add 1.5 teaspoons of milk. Milk powder helps in boosting collagen production that delays the signs of aging. Milk powder also tightens and firms the skin. The next thing is aloe vera gel. You can use fresh aloe vera gel. Add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and minerals. Aloe vera gel also provides deep hydration. You mix it very well. Then the next thing we need is rose water. Add a teaspoon of rose water. Rose water has anti-aging properties. Rose water aims to reduce wrinkles. Rose water tightens and firms skin. So you mix it very well. The last thing we need is rice flour. Add 1.5 teaspoons of rice flour. Then you mix it very well. Rice flour reduces signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine line. This mixture is very active. It will make your hands smooth. So this is how to apply it. So guys, this is how to apply it. You apply it on your hand like this. Apply it on your hand. Just apply it very well. I hope you guys are seeing it. Apply it. So this is it. After applying it, you leave it for it to dry. When it's dry, then you wash it off with warm water. Just repeat this method 3 times a week. You will get a perfect result. You will get rid of hand wrinkles and you get a smooth hand. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like this video, and also share this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much for tuning in and see you guys in my next video. Bye.